Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 9 with a beat up front display, and David is here with us to perform a screen replacement. So let's get right into it. So this OnePlus 9 has a broken display, and as you can see there, David tried to shut the phone down, but the touchscreen is acting up and it restarted the smartphone. We're going to remove the back cover to start off this repair, and the back cover looks amazing with that gray patterns. So we have to be very careful not to damage it. I think this is made up of glass, not too flexible. Look at that. The smartphone is still trying to restart itself. We're going to use IPA to soften the adhesive. I think this is not the factory adhesive. I think this smartphone has been opened before. You can see there. I think that's clear adhesive from a previous repair. And we're going to focus our attention now on the daughter board. We try to replace the OnePlus 9 display. The connector for it is located in this area, so no need for us to remove the main cover for the main board. We're going to remove the SIM card tray, also on the daughter board. And now we are gonna shut this phone down. So the display is cracked and the touchscreen is being erratic, so it's not really predictable. So it's not a good daily smartphone for daily use because it's not following the user's touch input correctly. And David has a replacement display for this OnePlus 9. I'm going to remove this board. And then underneath it, there's the connector for the display. And once we have detached that, it is easier for us now to remove the display from the front. This is the replacement display, and we can test it while the smartphone is partially opened and some parts of it are already removed. Let's see if it's gonna work out, if we can actually test it. I'm gonna attach the daughter board temporarily. And I think this one has a white line across it, which is bad, so I'm gonna shut this phone down for now. And yeah, that's the bad news. There's a white line on our replacement display unit, so we're gonna return that to our supplier. And we are gonna test another one. Hopefully this one doesn't have any issues, and it doesn't have any issues. So that happens, especially if you are trying to DIY your own repairs. You order something from eBay or Amazon. That could happen, and if you don't have the patience to deal with faulty replacement components that you have all ordered online, and you just want the hassle-free experience, you should definitely consider your local repair service center. Or here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we have multiple parts for specific models. So just like that one, you have a faulty replacement display, we definitely have another one to complete the repair, so we don't have to wait for parts that have to be ordered from different suppliers. So if you have the time to wait around, you can definitely do your own screen replacement. But if you don't, consider going to a service center and have a professional do it for you. David already removed the front display and cleaned off the frame, and I think there's a water damage on that frame. And we're gonna put a new layer of liquid adhesive. Make the new display stick into the frame. And there you go. Align, press, and reassemble everything. So if you have any questions, if you want this kind of repairs done on your iPhone or Samsung Galaxy or Asus ROG smartphone, or even a OnePlus 9, you should definitely visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. David is here to fix your smartphone. And if you're not from Sydney, you can definitely consider our mail-in repair service. You can mail in your broken smartphone and we will perform the repairs here in the shop. Just let David know in advance so we can arrange the shipment of your device. And we are just gonna perform the final touches on this one. We're gonna screw all the components right back in, and we're almost done. So one last thing to install is the temperature tray and the back cover. And we're gonna perform our final testing and we'll give it back to the client. And look at this. It's pretty dirty at the moment because of the liquid glue residue, but you know, we can just clean it up while it's still soft. The back cover will be reused. And look at that pattern. I like that pattern, to be honest. A clear phone case would be very nice on this one. There you go. Hopefully you learned something, guys, from this video. And if you like more of this stuff, you can definitely like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll upload new videos for you. This is the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.